Top 5 Irobot Roomba Autoempty 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Refurbished Roomba J7 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop with Alexa. Meet your home's new cleaning hero, the refurbished Roomba J7 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. It doesn't just clean, it thinks. Seamlessly switching from vacuuming carpets to mopping hard floors. It even lifts its mop to keep rugs dry. With precision vision navigation, it spots and avoids pet waste, cords, and socks in real time. Yes, really. Thanks to DRI and the auto-retract mopping system, your carpets stay dry while tough spots get a deeper scrub. The clean base empties the bin for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming. Plus, it maps your home faster than ever and cleans room by room, just how you like it. And with iRobot's POP guarantee, peace of mind is part of the package. Number 4. Self-Emptying Wi-Fi Robot Vacuum. Meet your home's new cleaning hero, the Self-Emptying Wi-Fi Robot Vacuum. Powered by Irobot OS, it intelligently avoids clutter, learns your home's layout, and creates personalized smart maps for precision cleaning. With its premium 3-stage system and powerlifting suction, dirt doesn't stand a chance. The clean base automatically empties the bin, holding up to 60 days of debris, so you can forget about vacuuming for months. Schedule cleanings, adjust settings, and enjoy up to 2 hours of runtime on a single charge. Effortless, smart, and seriously powerful, this robot doesn't just clean, it adapts to your life, giving you more time for what matters most. Number 3. Roomba J6 Plus, Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair. Meet the Roomba J6 Plus, your smart, self-emptying cleaning companion built for real life and real messes. Powered by Irobot OS, it learns your home, avoids pet accidents. Yes, we guarantee it with POP, and steers clear of cords so it never gets stuck. With 10x the suction and tangle-free brushes, it tackles pet hair on any floor. The clean base automatically empties the bin for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming. Set it to clean when you're away, or simply say, clean under the kitchen table, and it obeys instantly. The Roomba J6 Plus doesn't just clean your floors, it gives you peace of mind, one spotless room at a time. Number 2. Irobot Braiva Jet M6, Smart Wi-Fi Robot Mop. Say goodbye to mopping stress. The Irobot Braiva Jet M6 doesn't just clean, it thinks. Guided by smart V-Slam navigation, it maps your home, cleans in tidy rows, and even recharges and resumes on its own. Spills happen? Just ask your voice assistant or tap the app to target messy spots instantly. It knows your kitchen from your living room, respects keep-out zones, and teams up with compatible Roomba vacuums to vacuum, then mop, automatically. With adaptive cleaning modes, long-lasting pads, and personalized scheduling, the M6 fits seamlessly into your life. Smarter, hands-free mopping that learns your routine? That's not just clean, that's peace of mind. Number 1. Smart Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair and Carpets. Meet the Roomba i3 Plus, your smart, self-emptying cleaning companion. Tackling pet hair and deep carpet dirt with 10x the powerlifting suction and a 3-stage cleaning system. It doesn't miss a spot. Thanks to the clean base, it empties itself for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming for months. The upgraded iRobot Home app learns your routine and suggests personalized schedules, while voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant lets you start cleaning with just a word. Plus, Dirt Detect technology zeroes in on messy zones, like entryways or pet hangouts, for a deeper clean. Perfect for busy pet parents who want spotless floors without the hassle. So, that sums up my top 5 iRobot Roomba Auto-Empty. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great